So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use this kind of the portable multimeter. So it is too much easy and simple to use this kind of the multimeter. So in this video, I'm going to teach you about this one. So after watching this video, you don't have to watch any video to learn to use this kind of the multimeter. Okay, so it is very easy to use and it is cheapest also. And now you can see there are different kind of the modes available. Even there is a light also available which will help you to work in the night. Okay, so today I'll discuss about this unit TUT33D model multimeters, and you will know about this one, or you can use this method in every multimeter also. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So without any delay, let's begin our tutorial. Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how can you use this kind of the multimeter. So in a few types of multimeter there will be the NCV also, which will help you to check the wirelessly the AC current, but in this time by mistakenly or unfortunately there is no NCV function inside this multimeter. Sadly, I forgot to check that features when I was purchasing this multimeter, but it's okay. So today I'm going to teach you how to use this kind of multimeter, and after watching this video you will be able to use this kind of multimeter easily. Okay, so this video will teach you everything. So now you can see here guys, there are two types of props. The first one is the red props and the second one is the black props. The red props is for the positive and the black props is for the negative. Now you can see here there is the three ports available. The first one is the COM, and the second one is the voltage ohm, and now you can see there is the 10 ampere max. It means if you want to check only the 10 ampere, then in that case you can use the red props here. Otherwise you have to use the red props here. Okay, so where the COM or COM, then you have to insert the black props here. Okay, and you have to put the red props here. Okay, so this is the structure like this, and from here so now you can see here this is the dialer and there are different modes available. Okay, and I'll tell you all the modes in detail. So first of all, now you can see here we are in the off mode, right? So you can rotate this one in the clockwise also, or you can rotate this one in the anti-clockwise also, and you can turn on the display light, and you can turn off the light also. So if you are working in the night, in that case you have to turn on this one, otherwise you can turn off this one. Okay, so this is the benefit of the unit T multimeter. So it is working or not, the props is working or not. How to check this one? So first of all you have to go in the continuity mode. So now you can see this is there is a Wi-Fi symbol, right? It is like the Wi-Fi, and you have to go in the continuity mode. This is known as a continuity, and you have to toss this one. Yeah, if the beep is coming, then in that case the multimeter is working. Okay, so after that, so we are starting from here. So the first mode is the voltage mode. So now you can see there is a V and dash 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 like that, and now you can see you can check from the 200 millivolt to, now you can see here you can check the 20 volt also. So how to check this one? So I'll use my mobile phone battery in this time. Okay, so I have the another hole. Okay, so I'll remove the cover of this phone and I will pull out this battery. So now you can see this is the battery, right? So I'll put the red probes in the plus point and I'll put the black probes in the black point. So it will show, oh my god, yeah, like this, huh? So in the right now you can see it's showing me the voltage of the battery, right? Okay, so if I put in this side, now you can see it is showing the voltage of this battery. So if you by mistakenly put the props in the wrong area, for example, if you put the black props in the positive positive point, and if you put the positive in the negative, now you can see here it will show in the minus like this. So I am putting the, okay, so just I have to put this one here, and now you can see it is showing in the minus, right? The voltage is showing me minus 3.8. it means I am putting in the wrong position or in wrong point. So if I put in the right point, maybe it will work. In the minus point I am putting the black props, and in the plus point I am using the red point. So now you can see it's showing with the 3.8. so it means this battery is working perfectly. So guys, you can use now you can see there are different kind of measurement units of voltage, 200 amp, 2000 amp, and 20 volt, 200 volt, and 500 volt. You can check all the things using this unity multimeter. Okay, and the second the features of this multimeter is you can check the AC current from this one. So now you can see V and like this kind of symbol. Now you can see here there is a V and like this kind of symbol, and now you can see here is my source of electricity. Then after that I am just using this one like this. So now you can see I have to come here, and if I use like this, so now you can see here the AC current flow is showing here. Okay, so I think I should, okay, so if I use like this, so now you can see here you can show the voltage is coming here. Okay, so in the AC current there is no negative or positive. You can put anywhere in the props. So now you can see it is working perfectly, right? Okay, yeah, now you can see here it is, yeah, the AC current will be fluctuate. Okay, because it is the AC current, right? So the next one is the continuity mode. Okay, so it is one of the useful things while you are checking the coils and different kind of things. So for example, now you can see here, I think I should to use this one. I should use something for here, something metal. Okay, so for example I have a selfie stick, right? Maybe this will also work. For example, this is the coil. So now you can see I will put the positive props in this side, and I'll put the negative point like this side, and if I use like this, and the beep is coming, right? So it means the connection between the 2 points is fine. Okay, so you can use like this. Okay, so the next is the ampere feature. Okay, so now you can see there is different kind of the units of the ampere. So 2000, 20, 200 m and 10. Okay, so if you want to check the 10 ampere, so you can put the dialer in the 10 and you can change the props in the 10 ampere like this. Okay, then after that you can check the ampere of the battery. So I am just using like this. Okay, so it's not showing, so I think in this side it will show. Oh, so I am putting the props in the wrong port, so that's why it's not working maybe. Okay, maybe the mobile battery ampere will not show here. I think I need another battery, so that's why it will work or not. Okay, so now you can say it's not working right now. Okay, so it's not working because I don't have another battery, so that's why I have only the mobile phone battery, so that's why it is not working maybe. So there is another mode, so that is the resistor mode. So using this mode you can easily check the resistor of anything. There will be different kind of resistor. If I open this mobile phone, there will be different kind of resistor and you can check that one. Any kind of electronic devices, there will be the few resistor and you can check the resistor's value from here. Okay, so there are different kind of the measurement units of the resistor: 200, 2000, 20k, 200 kilo and 20 m and 200 m. So from here you can check the resistor. Once again I'm going to repeat this one. So from this section you can now you can see here I am going to show you clearly. So from this section you can check the voltage. Okay, so from this so it means you can check the DC voltage from here. From this section you can check the AC voltage. From here you can check the continuity, okay, or coil. From this section you can check the ampere of the electricity or of battery or something else. And from this section you can check the resistor, okay, and it will show the value here. Okay, so guys, the one features, the MCB feature is not available in this UT33D model multimeters. Maybe I purchased the wrong product, but it's okay. The NCB mode is not available, so if I want to check the current flow, then I have to go here. So today I discussed about the how to use this kind of the portable multimeter. So hoping that you get few ideas after watching this video. That's it. So hoping that you get few ideas about this multimeter. So if you have still any kind of confusion about this video, let me know in the comment sections. I'll make a separate video on that topic also. So if you have still any kind of confusion to use the multimeter, let me know in the comment section. You can ask any kind of queries and I'll try to give you answer of your questions. And share this video to among the people who are trying to learn how to use the multimeter. Then maybe this video will help them and it will give me some motivation also to make more videos on my YouTube channel. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.